Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to reconcile bank account in QuickBooks. If you're using accounting software but not reconciling your bank account, you're basically guessing your numbers, and that's risky. Reconciliation is what ensures your records in QuickBooks actually match what's in your real bank account. Start by opening QuickBooks and logging into your account. From the left sidebar, click on All Apps, then on Accounting. Under Accounting, select Reconcile. Next, click Get Started. QuickBooks may show a short guide. Then click Let's Get Reconciled. Now, choose your bank account from the list. First, input your statement ending balance. Then, add the ending date from your bank statement. These define the target you're matching. If these are wrong, reconciliation won't work. Next, choose an expense account from the drop-down. Also, choose an income account from the drop-down. While the expense account tracks fees, the income account tracks interest. Now add the service charge amount and the date of the charge. This ensures your records match the bank exactly. Then add the interest amount and the date received. This captures additional income and keeps your financial records complete. Finally, click Start Reconciling. Now you'll see a list of transactions. So your job would be to match the transactions in QuickBooks with transactions on your bank statement. Using QuickBooks properly ensures your financial records are accurate and trustworthy. To summarize, reconciling a bank account in QuickBooks involves going to the accounting section, opening Reconcile, entering your bank statement details, adding service charges and interest, and matching transactions until your balances align. This ensures your records match your real bank account. And that's how to reconcile a bank account in QuickBooks. This might seem technical, but it's one of the most important habits you can build if you're serious about managing your finances. Reconciliation isn't just about accuracy, it's about control. It tells you exactly where your money is and prevents costly mistakes. This is how you go from guessing your numbers to actually knowing them. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.